You're smart, you're driven. So why do you still feel that you are overlooked? Here's the truth, my friends, that they never taught you in marketing school. Your technical skills might land you to the job, but they won't earn you that promotion, that trust, or the recognition that you actually deserve. That's what a lot of people learned the hard way until I thought of coming up with a series that changed everything. The market's rising to the top. They aren't just for experts in ads or analytics. They mastered the unspoken skills, the ones that actually move that career forward. And what are those skills? Yes, you guessed it right, my friends. They are the soft skills. Skills like communication that get people to listen, confidence that commands that attention, and resilience that turns setbacks into stepping stones. And now I'm going to share in this series 14 of them that is going to superpower you with that mindset shift every day for the next 14 days. There is no fluff, no theory, just the real career-changing tools that took people from being invisible to influential. So hit follow, drop that fire in the comments if you're ready, and stop being that company's best kept secret. I'll see you tomorrow. Your transformation, my friends, starts today and starts now. Are you in for it?